Welcome to another video in my series on TV. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install one of these USB TV adapters on a Linux computer. So the two I've got here is a Realtek one and an AVerMedia one. So I'll start with the Realtek. Now I'll just plug that in and it lights up. Now to check if that's working, just list your devices for DVB and you see I've got adapter 0 there. So that looks good. Now if you really want to make sure, just do show a D message there. And the key thing to see here is that it is in warm state, which means it's ready to go. Now I'll try the same thing with the AVerMedia one. Just plug it in and I'll see if I've also got that DVB adapter, but I don't. So let's have a look at D message here and see what happened. And the key thing here is that it's just in cold state. Okay. Now it also tells you that it's missing that firmware. So that's the problem. It's missing firmware, so it can't run. So you've got to hunt down the firmware that it requires, which I've already got, and put that in lib firmware. Okay? And then just reboot the machine. Now a hardcore Linux person will say you don't have to reboot there, and that's true, but I like to reboot for two reasons. Firstly, I don't know the commands to avoid a reboot, so it's just easier to reboot it. But secondly, if you reboot it, you can test to make sure the system comes up as expected upon reboot. So you know that it's going to work without any more intervention after a reboot. So I've rebooted now, and I'll try that AVerMedia adapter again. Okay, now ls dev dvb, there's an adapter there. And if you look at the D message again, you'll see that it got its file from where we put it, and it comes up in warm state. So you see initially it was cold state, then I got the firmware, and now it's in warm state. So that's ready to go. Now I'm going to install a package called DVB-Apps, which has a couple of programs on there to let you scan for channels and tune them in and that. So I'll put that on there now. So apt-get install DVB-Apps. And there it is. Okay, now that's installed, I'll head out to where the antenna is at the workbench and show you how it works. Now I've got the antenna and I'm just going to use this AVerMedia adapter, but I could use either. Anyway, use this, plug it in. Now if you go to this directory here, user share DVB, DVB legacy, DVB-T, you'll see there's lots of files in here containing lots of cities around the world. Now those files contain the scan lists for the frequencies used in those cities. So if I look at Brisbane's here, you'll see those 6 frequencies. Now, we only have 5 of those because one of them's been turned off, but we'll use it anyway, it doesn't matter. So what I'll do is I'll just copy that Brisbane one back to the home directory, go back here. Now I'll just run a scan with AU Brisbane. Now you can see the stations coming in there. It's done ABC, as I showed the other day in that other video, but here we're doing it live. So there they are, it's finding the channels, as you've seen before when I did that last video on digital TV. Now, once it's got them, it will dump them in a format like that. What we want to do with them is make a channels config file. So I'll run the same command again, but this time I'll just put the output into channels.conf. So you'll see it as it's finding the TV stations there, but the actual config, this part up here, will get put into a file, and that's what we'll use. Okay, that's just made the channels conf file. So if you have a look at that, you'll see all the TV stations that it just found in that scan. So to make use of that, you can just open that file in VLC. So I'll do that. Okay, and once the channels are there, you just click them, bring them up. Okay, that's the news. And just press next to get to the next channel. Next. So your playlist is now that channels config file. So that's how to install the adapters, tune in the stations, and watch them on VLC. Now in the next video, I'll go through more in depth of what actually comes in on that data bit stream. So make sure you see that.